Stenomania dictations with fluctuations. 5 seconds. Ready, start. Honorable Speaker Sir, the demands for grants under the control of the Ministry of Civil Aviation is being discussed here after privatizing Air India. I fully appreciate the articulation of the Honorable Minister, but the focal point to be discussed and responded was the privatization of Air India. It is quite unfortunate that nothing is mentioned about it. I have raised so many issues regarding the Air India employees. The employees who are entitled to be in service up to the age of 58 years have to retire as soon as Tata takes over. So, what is the fate of those retired employees of Air India? As far as the medical benefits are concerned, they are entitled to avail these benefits even after retirement. So, I would like to ask whether these medical benefits and all other welfare schemes will be applicable to the Air India employees. These are the pertinent questions which we have raised in the House. Unfortunately, nothing has been answered. So, I would request the Honorable Minister to respond to these questions also. Honorable Chairman, Sir, handloom and handicraft products have a significant contribution in our economy. They are not only sold in the domestic market, but most of the products are also exported abroad. Handloom sector is known for providing employment in rural areas. It is next only to the agriculture sector. Most of the weavers belong to the other backward classes, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and minority communities. They were all worst hit during the pandemic period as they have not been getting any work since 2020. However, the demand for handloom products has been increased by 13% compared to the previous year. Thus, there is an urgent need for the support of the government to protect the weavers and the traditional economic enterprises. The government has launched various schemes for the benefit of handloom weavers, but the livelihood of the weavers is at stake during the pandemic period. Hence, the government should extend some monthly financial assistance to the families of the handloom weavers immediately. Sir, another issue which I want to bring to the notice of the House is that there is an acute shortage of containers for exports. Every day, news reports are coming out on how our ports are choking the supply of containers by poor planning. A lot of shipping companies are avoiding the Indian ports as they are facing inordinate delay in getting the containers offloaded due to mismanagement of our ports by this government. What is the result? Sir, the shipping companies have hiked their charges by a whopping percent to 500% and goods and products 500%, and goods and products are piling up in our ports due to mismanagement of the situation by the ministry. All this is because of the poor planning on the parts of the government while implementing a project like Sagarmala. Over.